Welcome friend, my YouTube channel Pharma Rocks with Shivaji Bundela. Today I will describe you very important topic. That topic name is change control. What is the change control and how we will initiate and who is the owner for change control? I will describe you in that video and I will tell you what is the definition of the change control. Change control name already is define our definition itself. Now I will define you a definition of change control. Change control is a procedure that ensure change are implemented in a control and coordinate manner. The change control program evaluate all change that could affect the production and control of the drug, product, intermediate or API. It is the most critical element in the overall quality management of pharmaceutical industry. A change control system provides check and balance in the quality system by tracking, reviewing and approving the change. Inadequate change control procedure end up in a regulatory non-compliance. The purpose of change control is to prevent the unintended consequences that are sometimes encountered when making a change to a product or system. Another definition of change control: change refers to any modification in equipment, manufacturing, material, facility, utility, design, formulation, process, packing, labeling, computer system and all associated documents, SOP, quality, all are in related to change control. According to WHO, change control is a formal system by which qualified representative of appropriate discipline review proposed or actual change that might be affect a validated status. The intent is to determine the need for the action that would ensure that the system is maintained in validated state. Change control within a QMS is a formal process used to ensure that a change to a system is introduced in a control and coordinate manner. Task of change control. Change control minimizes the risk that change can have on the quality or process characteristic. Each change to previously approved requirement require a review and authorization to keep the system in its original state of proven suitability. Formal change control guarantees that all changes are evaluated for their effect on product quality or validation status. Change control programs have become recognized as essential element of the pharmaceutical quality insurance system. Why change control is important? I will describe you. Change control is the requirement of regulatory. Regulatory will tell to us what is going on in pharmaceutical industry in current scenario. We will follow that one. If we are following old one, that also is correct, but we need to require in current version. That's the reason regulatory requirement and CGMP requirement. CGMP, current good manufacturing practice. What is the updation is coming in a pharmaceutical industry that need to required and fulfill. If the change is not controlled, not implemented properly, then any product hazard may occur for patient. Now I will tell you CGMP requirement. Change control is a CGMP concept that focus on managing change to prevent unintended consequence. Certain manufacturing change, that is change that alters specification, a critical product attribute or bioavailability, require regulatory filing and prior regulatory approval. Change is an inherent part of the life cycle of a pharmaceutical product. A change can be an addition to deletion of or modification to manufacturing facility, utilities, process material, product, procedure or equipment including software which impact quality or regulatory requirement. Regulatory requirement. Any change in the production and process must be controlled, meaning recorded, reviewed and approved by the respective units. Manufacturer certificate to ISO 9000, 2000 and ISO 13485 standard are required to ensure that any change affecting QMS design and development change should be controlled. All change should be made according to approved written company policy and procedure. Change control procedure have to be written as a way of standardizing instruction in FDA and ISO environment. Strict adherence to approved policy and procedure is a key factor in keeping manufacturing operation in a state of control, and it's what makes change control crucial. Principle of change control. As the change control is considered an essential element of the pharmaceutical quality insurance system, it is logical the person responsible in quality insurance. Change control is not department specific, rather the task of the whole company. The change control monitor all type of change which can influence of the process or product quality and state the measure necessary for implementing the change or decide that a change should not be implemented. Now I will describe classification of change. A classification procedure may help in determining the level of testing, validation and documentation need to justify the change of validated process. Change may be classified as major or minor depending on the nature and extent of change or the effect these change impart on process. They can also be categorized as a specification change, raw material change, equipment change, process change, any change it can happen. Now I will describe you the flow chart of change control. Identification of change, which area you are going for any change, you initiate the change control. Document region for change. Initiate review of request, impact and risk assessment. After that, who is the owner of change control? He will classify the change. If change is major, then we will bend for one committee. Refer to change control in committee. It need to approve in regulatory agency also. If it is in minor change, then we will go for document change action on form. Identify document to update. Assignable person to make change. After that, file will complete and change form in update in change register. If change control is major, then develop change management plan. Need to one committee required. Document validation or verification plan also need to required. Assignable person to make change. After that, implement plan. Develop submission for approval. After that, major change QA will verify change implementation per plan. After that, it will registered in change control register, and it will approve to all committee who is involved in that committee person. That committee person are regulatory affairs, quality insurance person, technical person who is involving in validation, stability data, production person, development person, engineering person, laboratory QC person, IT person. These are the committee of the change control. They will give our suggestion and feedback. If any correction is there, change control owner again take that CC return back and he and fulfill the requirement of change control committee, and after that change control owner will submit that CC in QA will implement that change control and close the change control. I will tell you who is the involvement and taken in change control. Initiator. First is initiator. Change is typically introduced by a initiator or organizer. Initiating a change involves filling out a change request form which then moves through a process or system of review and approval. Change control committee may be a single entity for the whole company or maybe one for the company's manufacturing site. It usually includes representatives from different departments involved in production such as quality, manufacturing, regulatory affairs and engineering. Depending on the change, committee may be include legal, sales and marketing department. And after that, change administration. In pharmaceutical companies, CGMP require that all change must be reviewed and approved by quality unit. In such companies there must be change administration is all usually in assumed by a quality unit. Now I will give you a best example of packing department. If you are working in packing department and you are working in packing line, in your machine capability in one day it is packed only 50,000 tablet, but you want to replace in new machine its capability 1,20,000 tablet in a day it will pack. Then you cannot change directly. First you take change control, because auditor will come now, he will ask when you are using that machine is it not working properly, anything problem is there, then you can justify to properly, because IQ, OQ, PQ everything is required when you are taking any type of new instrument, any type of new machine. So you have required to all function, cross function who are involved in change control, they will give our approval. After that you will go for new machine. When you will take new machine, it will auto work properly, and you can write in it is very automatic machine. That's the reason we are taking in our lab. Hence we can reduce the manpower. After that we can utilize that manpower in another places. You can write that one also in justification in change control. After that you will submit that change control in QA. QA will give approval. After that you can utilize the new packing line machine. That is the summary of change control. I hope you understand what is the change control, who is the initiator, and what is the responsibility of committee. Everything I will tell you. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.